Question 17 reads, what value of x satisfies the equation above? Well, we have two fractions equated to 0. And so whenever we add fractions, we have to make sure that the denominators are equal. And so the way I can do that, if I rewrite this, 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 equals 0. Well, I can multiply this first fraction into x minus 1 on both sides. X minus 1 here. And I can multiply the second fraction with x. And so now you can realize that both, if I expand and simplify, both these fractions are going to have the same denominator. And so if I do that, first one's going to be x minus 1 on the numerator. It's going to be x into x minus 1 plus x on the numerator for the second fraction, and x into x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, and so that was what I was talking about. So now I can add up these fractions very easily. So I just add them up with the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So x minus 1 plus x, which is just 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1 over x into x minus 1 equals 0. So now the trick is that we cross multiply. Okay, and the reason why, and this really helps us out because it gets rid of this ugly thing right here. It's almost a quadratic. Yeah, if you expand this, it's going to be a quadratic. It gets rid of that because any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. And so if I cross multiply, it becomes 2x minus 1 equals 0. Now this is very straightforward. Add 1 to both sides, and so it becomes 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, and so x, and these cancel out, so x equals 1 over 2. And so that's going to be our answer, 1 over 2.